Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open your VN project and tap the media timeline at the bottom. Select the clip you want a caption and pause playback. Tap Text, then choose Auto Captions from the menu to start. Auto Captions requires VN version 1, 5 or later, and an internet connection. Choose the spoken language from the language list before generating captions. Confirm microphone consent if prompted and allow VN to process the audio. Generation usually takes seconds to a minute depending on clip length. Tap any caption to edit text, timing, and punctuation directly in the timeline. Use the keyboard to correct words and add punctuation for clearer reading. Press play and watch captions appear while listening for misheard phrases. Use the trim handles on each caption to snap them to exact audio peaks visually. If needed, slow playback to 0, 5x or speed up to 1, 5x for more precise synchronization checks. Confirm every sentence aligns with the speaker before styling. Choose a font size, color, and background box for accessibility and contrast. Toggle SRT export to generate a separate subtitle file for platforms that support captions. Alternatively, use burn captions to embed text directly into the video file before exporting. Save a caption preset to reuse the same style across multiple projects and speed up workflow. Review exported captions on the target platform to ensure formatting and line breaks display correctly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.